Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 22 of my November accountability challenge. It's 2 days from Thanksgiving. We've been doing good, so if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on Weight Watcher points, be sure to watch this video. Today's breakfast, I have a 2-point English muffin with a 2-point turkey sausage, 2-point per piece of American deluxe cheese. Is really good. I think I prefer it over Velveeta. So this breakfast sandwich is going to be 6 points. The egg is 0, and then I added I had an iced coffee. So it is going to be 6 points for the sandwich and 1 point for my iced coffee. Flip that over. There's my sandwich. Well, I ran into Costco this afternoon. What a madhouse that was. Everybody is shopping for Thanksgiving. It's 2 days before. And I decided to pick up a rotisserie chicken because there's such a good value there. And I'm going to have that for lunch. And I also got these everything seasoning breaded cod I heard about at my Weight Watcher meeting. They're only 4 points each. They're supposed to be really good, so I'm going to be trying those soon. And I'll let you know how they are, but I thought that was a good value. And then I bought 24 eggs because I'm going to be needing them for cooking on Thanksgiving. But the other things I bought was just like toilet paper, some paper towels and stuff like that, some meats. But that's what I did today. I went to Costco. The real reason I went to Costco is to get a pumpkin pie because I didn't feel like making one. So I don't have that on video, but you'll be sure to see it on Thanksgiving. Last year I went there the day before Thanksgiving and they didn't have any, so that's why I went today. And they're selling out quick. So here's today's lunch. I had some asparagus I wanted to get rid of. And so I sauteed it with some garlic and olive oil spray. And then I have some of the white meat on the rotisserie chicken. And 0 points worth of GQ's barbecue sauce. So this is my lunch and it is 0 points. Zero. Did you hear that? Looks good, huh? I made a eye of round roast tonight that I had bought at Costco. So I have 5 points worth of that. And I have 5 points worth of mashed potatoes and 2 points worth of gravy. So this dinner is 12 points. And I have mixed vegetables, so those are 0 points. So that's my dinner. Tonight's dessert, I'm having another piece of that strawberry cake I made yesterday for 4 points. It's a good one. I just got finished making a brine for my turkey, and I use vegetable broth and brown sugar, peppercorns, salt, and a little bit of allspice, and I'll cool it off, and then I'll be using it tomorrow to brine my turkey overnight. I'm going to let it cool here. But now I'm going to have a snack. So I am having a snack today. I'm having some Parmesan garlic pita chips. That is 5 points worth. And I'm having 1 point worth of the eggplant dip that I buy at Trader Joe's. It's eggplant tomato-based dip, and it's really good. So that is my snack. It's going to be 6 points. I'm going to have a Diet Pepsi, and that's all I'm going to have the rest of the day. So that's going to be the end of day 22 of my NEWvember challenge. I ended the day using only 24 points. I was kind of busy today, didn't really make too much of a lunch, so it's a little low today, but that's okay. We're still doing good. Tomorrow is prep day for Thanksgiving, so I will be doing a lot of cooking and chopping and cutting up of things. But comment below if you're cooking Thanksgiving. It's a big food day. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.